Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying both source and target skeletons exist in Ue5 and that the animation FBX is imported. Once done, open the skeleton editor for each character and enable the Retarget Manager. Assign the humanoid IK bones so Ue5 understands joint correspondences. Next, create a retarget source from the source skeleton. This captures pose offsets. Make sure to save assets frequently. These initial mappings are essential because accurate bone matches avoid scale and orientation errors later on. Now configure how motion transfers. In the skeleton tree, set translation retargeting rules per bone depending on whether you want world-consistent motion or scaled adaptation. If you prefer control rig, create IK rig assets for both characters and map bones in the IK retargeter. Then open the IK retargeter, choose the source pose, and preview the animation on the target. Once satisfied, use the Retarget tool to duplicate animations or generate animation blueprints for multiple clips to speed up batch retargeting. Finalize by exporting or baking the retargeted animations to the target skeleton and checking root motion, foot locking, and joint orientations. If you notice drifting or popping, tweak the retarget pose offsets and individual bone rotation corrections. Small rotation fixes often resolve visible artifacts. Make sure root bone retargeting mode matches intended movement. If things still go wrong, reset the mappings, reassign the retarget source pose, and rerun the IK retargeter. That usually clears mismatches and restores clean motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.